She's basic. She is your basic friend. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, Miss Chrissy. And if you are here for the first time, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are back, hey girl, hey, how you doing? Today I have the Harlem 125 wig in the style LSD69. That's her social security number she came with. She don't have a name. We just gonna name her. I think I want to name her Barbara or Cindy or something. I don't know. That's her name, and I have Ocean Gray. See how simple this wig is, and let's just go ahead and jump into this video. Let's go. Let's go.
More than that to take you and lead you to the promised land. Me 20-foot dive and all you got to do is be true, so let's correspond. Satisfy your emotion. At for the press, instantly she bust. She no old and tough and she no got time no rust. Things smooth and precious like she never get a put. One son to expand up that to her and pull up. Giddy up me and forget to is a mouse. Think I walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body, girl, tell me where you get it from. Now find your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in me everything.
Alright guys, I'm back with this Harlem 125 wig. This is the style L. She doesn't have a name. She has a social security number. So her this is the style LSD69, and I have her in the color SGD Ocean Gray. Okay. So this wig is pretty much very simple. This is your fun flirty wig. This is your, actually you don't have to get this color. I wanted to get this color because I wanted to try something different. I want to over here trying new colors and stuff. This is for when you feeling funky. I do like this wig because this one actually right here on the stock card got me. It's like this nice straight wig, and then it goes into these nice like curls right here. So I wanted to try her in a different color to see how she is. So this is your ocean part right here, and this is your gray part right here, and this is what she looks like from the side, and then the back. Very pretty. This is from Harlem 125. This is a Swiss lace wig. It's very simple, very beginner friendly. Like I said, they do have other colors. They have your typical natural colors, your 1Bs, your 2s, your 4s. And then if you want to get funky, she comes in dark teal, ocean gray. They got some purple, some corals if you want to be funky. You can get even like this nice face framing color right here. That's like the SGD 1F160. Girl, I can't with all these social security numbers. I can't. Why can't we just call her Laura? Why can't we just call her Barbara? Barbara, no, that's like an old name. Man, I need a name for her. I think I want to just call her Stacy. Okay, she's not Stacy. She's not Stacy. But y'all know what I'm trying to say. So, I didn't really do too much. I just cut off that lace in the front. She did have that lace parting in the middle. No lace here, so you can't style her different ways. I didn't secure her with any glue or anything. I just went in and put her down. I can't find my wig grip right now. So, but normally I would go in with a wig grip, put her down, and go. So this is definitely a beginner-friendly wig to put on your head and just go. She's very cute. I'm not really getting any shedding or tangling. She's a nice length, so she doesn't feel like she will tangle on you. But she is a little bit silkier, straight in texture. Okay, so keep that in mind. She's not as like yucky. She's not as thick, you know. She just definitely is silky straight. This very simple wig. Let me know what you guys think about her. I just went in with a little bit of foundation right here. I'm not sure how it's showing up on cameras. Probably need to fix it a little bit better, but all you need is a little bit of parting in that space. That lace felt good. It was really soft. As far as how she feels, the tabs do come down. I would say she feels good. She's big head friendly. And yeah, that's it. Real simple. Nothing to complain about. I mean, she's basic. She is your basic friend. Guys, let me know how you feel about this wig. If you would get her in this color, if you're feeling this color, I don't know. Let me know how you feel. I mean, this gray is giving me kind of. Actually, we can name her Barbara. We can name her Barbara. Barbara's over here with her gray, trying to be young with her blue. We naming this wig Barbara because she came over here with a social security number. So we just gonna name her Barbara. All right, y'all. Let me know how you feel. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.